Welcome back to the AEC video series. In part 2 of this settings video, we're going to cover registration flow, confirmation, and checkout. Now basically here, under registration flow, you should have been checking out previously under the settings video that we created originally for just like a quick setup. And it actually explained to you to read about the registration flows that you wanted. And if your registration flow requires plans first, you set that to yes, and integrate registration, you set that to yes. Skip confirmation. AEC normally goes from for example, if it's plans first, choose your plan, and then to registration, then to confirmation, checkout in the processor. Here you can actually skip the confirmation page by setting that to yes. The thing to make sure of, if you do that, do not have any micro integrators installed that require the confirmation page to gather more information, as for example the tax helper or the custom user details or an email newsletter integrator where you have a checkbox for the person to actually agree to be put into the newsletter itself. And enabling the credit card display, the CC display, this is either set yes or no, where you can enable and show the different credit card icons that the processor takes. Confirmation page. By default, the confirmation page will display the descriptions of the plans being purchased. And you can actually turn that off by setting that to no. Terms of service. If you put the URL in here to your terms of service in your Joomla content, automatically on the confirmation page there'll be a checkbox asking the person to agree to the terms of service, and there'll be a link to that actual URL so that they can read it. If you'd rather show it in the iframe and display it on that page, you can set this to yes also. Now as for the checkout page, you decide whether you want to enable coupons. This means that the coupon box will be shown on the checkout page for the person to actually put in the coupon and apply it. Display descriptions. If you have multiple plans on checkout or skipped the confirmation, it would be helpful to show the actual description of what they're buying here. And you can set that to yes. As for gift checkout, this allows other users who are registered and part of the system going through to decide whether they want to gift the subscription that they're buying to another user who is already registered on the site. And that's basically what gift checkout will do. And as you can see by the description, with this option, users can gift a checkout to another user. All of the plans and attached functionality is then carried out on the recipient's user account. Then you can decide who's able to do gift access based on their access level in the system, whether you want registered users to be able to do it, or whether you want a certain group that you set up in Joomla to only be able to do it. And this is a switch down here that will enable you to show the same gift options on the confirmation page as well as the checkout page. Thank you very much.